A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:15 p.m. CDT for southwestern New York City. At 12:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Elizabeth, or 14 miles west of Elizabeth, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: to inhale and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Queens, Brooklyn, Manhattan, and Staten Island. Precautionary preparedness actions: seek shelter in a fully enclosed building with wiring and plumbing. Unplug electrical appliances and stay away from outlets. Avoid windows, doors, fireplaces, sinks, tubs, and showers because these areas are more likely to pass electricity. Wait 30 minutes after you hear the last rumble of thunder before going outside.